A bit of worrying news this morning. India has recorded the first 6 cases of the mutant strain of coronavirus, which is believed to be 70% more infectious, more contagious, and was first reported in the United Kingdom. A total of 6 UK returnees have been found to be positive with the new UK variant genome. That's 3 in Bengaluru's NIMHANS, 2 in CCMB of Hyderabad, and 1 in the National Institute of Virology in Pune. Now, the people tested positive have been kept in single-room isolation, and also all norms have been followed in designated healthcare facilities by state governments. Their close contacts have also been put under quarantine. The Health Ministry said that the situation is under careful watch. Regular advice and directives are being provided to states for enhanced surveillance, for containment testing and dispatch of samples to separate labs. India has suspended all flights from and to the United Kingdom till 31st December. It's also made testing mandatory for all returnees from the United Kingdom through the RT-PCR test. So rapid antigen not allowed, only RT-PCR allowed. The presence of the new UK variant has already been reported in several other countries, like in Denmark, Netherlands, in Australia, in Italy, Sweden, France, Spain, Switzerland, to name a few. Taking this across now to Milind Sharma for more details. Milind, a bit of worrying news that the UK strain has officially entered India. It was, however, inevitable. With it spreading so far into so many countries, it was bound to enter India as well. What do we know so far about the cases that have been reported, and what governments are doing to ensure that the spread doesn't go out of control?
Well, these cases that have come forward, 6 new cases that have come forward are containing the UK variant of the mutant coronavirus. And that is worrying in the sense that the virus is 70% more infectious than the previous strain of the coronavirus that we have seen. We remember that the 60% of the cases that have happened in the United Kingdom have happened due to this new strain, and this has led to a surge of cases in the country. But now we are looking at 6 of these people who have tested positive with the new strain. They are in Pune, in Hyderabad, as well as in Bengaluru. And there they have been put into single-room isolations. These were people who flew down from the United Kingdom. They were already isolated in the first instance because the flights were banned since the 22nd of December. But the government is now contact tracing their direct contacts. So the people that they were sitting on the flights, their family members, the people they came in contact with are also being checked at this point in India.
Okay.
Certainly, experts, Akshita, have said that there's no need to get worried with the new mutant strain. It's only because the genome sequencing has been done. That is, the code of the genetic change has been found, and which is why we know that this strain has come in India. But it acts very similar to the same strain, just being more infectious, that is. And that is why all the health-related protocols remain the same. They have not been changed. So wearing a mask and following social distancing is of utmost importance right now, as India is also looking at a decline in COVID cases.
So a very elaborate exercise now for the administration to track down every single person that these passengers came in touch with. Milind, thank you for getting us those details. We've got breaking news coming in.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.